old Ghost Riders in the Sky song from way back?
Yes.
Okay. It's the same tune. So what I need all you guys to do over in this section is do the background, which is real simple, okay? I just need you to go bum diddle lum diddle lum diddle lum bum diddle lum diddle lum diddle lum bum diddle lum diddle lum diddle lum. Just like that, all right? Just keep that going. All right, so let's try it out. Beautiful. Great job. All right, now chorus is going to be over here, okay? It has to be loud, because if it's not loud, if the neighbors can't hear you, it's not good. Okay? So it goes like this. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Ghost chickens in the sky. You got that? Let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Ghost chickens in the sky. That's right. You got that? Okay. When I point to you, you guys are going to join in with the chorus. Okay? Nice and loud. It has to be loud. Otherwise, it's just no good. Okay? All right. So you guys are going to start out. Chicken farmer went out one dark and dreary day. He rested by the coop as he went along his way, when all at once a rotten egg hit him in the eye. It was the sight he dreaded, those chickens in the sky. Walk, 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 come on! Walk, 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 those chickens in the sky. Now he'd been raising chickens since he was 24, been working for the colonel for 30 years or more. He killed off all those chickens and sent them all to fry. They wanted their revenge, goes chickens in the sky. Walk, 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 goes chickens in the sky. Their feet were black and shiny, their eyes were burning red. They had no meat or feathers, these chickens were all dead. They picked the farmer up, and he died by the claw. They cooked him extra crispy, and ate him with coleslaw. Walk, 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 those chickens in the sky.